Ano niyo po inangkop yung mga musics dito sa Pilado para mas mailarawan po yung emosyon at saka po yung tension ng mga pangunahing eksena po?
So, the process of our rehearsals, we go to, of course, music, learning the music, and then after learning the music, it's gonna be second language. So, para siyang, we treat the music, the songs, as language, as parang a way of speaking. So, it's kasi in the real world, hindi naman tayo kumakanta palagi. Di ba? Hindi tayo kumakanta. But in a musical, we want to highlight the emotions. We want to highlight yung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao. Kasi, again, from what I've mentioned earlier, na it's a singing or music is an extension of the soul. So, when we rehearse it, we tell a story. It's more beyond singing. We need to know, so we do that in the rehearsals. We explore how do we tell this story. We do workshops. We explore how our voices will be able to produce this texture home, if like you're singing and you're weeping at the same time. So it's very more like the process is organic process na what is natural to you. So parang singing is like your speaking language. So yun yung laging ginagawa namin sa rehearsals. So sing as if you're really speaking, telling the story. So yun. So kailangan talaga rehearsals, everybody has to be there. We have to really, and everybody is always on top of their toes pag rehearsals. Lahat nagko-contribute, you know. Parang it's not just like a one-way process na ako lang yung bibigay, okay, ganito yung gawin natin. So we have as the team namin as directors and composers in the team, production team. Of course we have a vision, but then when we do it in the rehearsals, what works, what doesn't work, and what can the actors bring to the table? So, ano yung makakontribute nila? So, kasi nga, again, this is not just the story of one person. It's a story of different perspectives. So, the actors bringing in their own stories, their own voices. The collaboration happens. So, it's the process, a collaborative process. Thank you.